Labyrinth, come in. Labyrinth, come in.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is something they call a groundbreaker. So let me first apologize to the shirts and the ties for your makeup, cause I'll make you ugly as soon as it drops. We're on a rampage, bubbles popping up before you know it. There's rubble and dust, cause we'll be pushing it up. Somebody say you better run, yeah. I predict an earthquake up in here. Earthquake up in here, cause we throw bombs on it, just mess on it, yeah, mush for me, hey, yeah. We can make an earthquake up in here. Ladies and gentlemen, what you're about to witness is no illusion. And now we got the bass banging from here to Buckingham Palace, they're all moving. Hey Simon, working them up, turning them psycho. Everybody rock, let's bring the house down to rubble and dust, cause we'll be pushing it up. Somebody say you better run, yeah. I predict an earthquake up in here. Say yeah. I predict an earthquake up in here, cause we throw bombs on it, just mess on it, yeah, much for me. Cause we throw bombs on it, just smash something, yes, much for me, hey, yes. We can make an earthquake up in here.
So here we go. After this battle is over, I can continue.
Hey, yo, Labyrinth. This one's feeling like a straight 10 on the Richter scale, you know?
Check out the perfect fire.
I won't hold back.
Yeah. Fire, we about to set this place on fire. Without a match or lighter, don't do girlfriends. One nighters make them C minor. If I want Christian or Kurt Geiger, I just phone up the designer. Doing all nighters, no days off, grey hairs and a little bit of weight loss. I predict. Disturbing London got the whole city panicking. I be Nostradamus, this my nip.
Yeah. I predict an earthquake.